Easy English practice. Real-life English conversation. Opening the door.
Hey, Jake, Emma, come on in.
Hey, Sam, thanks. Your place looks great.
Yeah, I love what you've done with the place. So cozy.
Thanks, guys. So, are we all set for the picnic this weekend?
I'm so ready. I've packed my backpack already. What about you two?
Same here. I can't wait to relax by the lake. Do we have enough food, though?
Don't worry. I'm bringing sandwiches and some snacks. Emma, you're bringing drinks, right?
Yep. I've got a cooler full of sodas and water.
Awesome, and I've got a frisbee and cards for some fun games.
Sounds like it's going to be a perfect day. Anything else we need to plan?
Just make sure everyone brings sunscreen this time. I'm not getting sunburned again.
Agreed. This is going to be the best picnic ever.
Definitely. I can't wait to chill with you guys. See you all bright and early on Saturday.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.